Thank you for choosing Durables. We offer low maintenance, durable, and premium quality vinyl fencing and railing made in the USA. To demonstrate the strength and durability of our fencing, we worked with Intertech Architectural Testing Incorporated, the worldwide leader in building product testing, to perform a series of wind tests on our 6x8 Canterbury Privacy Fence. The panels tested were installed with fasteners following the high wind instructions provided in the installation guide. To conduct the test, we used the wind generated from two massive 7-foot-tall airplane propellers, each fueled by a high-powered V8 engine. To create a concentrated wind load, the propellers were placed 4 feet from the fence panels. We started the wind at 70 miles per hour and consistently increased it until we reached 115 miles per hour. Based on the results of this test, the engineers determined that all of our 6-foot-tall and less Canterbury Privacy panels can withstand 115 miles per hour of sustained winds and wind gusts at 131 miles per hour. Even at wind speeds equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane, you can still see that there is no visible damage to the fence. When it comes to vinyl fencing, strength and durability are key, and Durables is the strongest on the market. Your fence must be installed following the high wind instructions provided in the installation guide in order to withstand the wind loads tested.